there was an Electron named Eddie. And Eddie the Electron was one day sitting in PS2, Photosystems 2. And Eddie was really tired and didn't have any energy and was just laying there until he got hit by a ray of sunlight. Once Eddie got hit by a ray of sunlight, he became really hyper and started moving around really quickly. So while Eddie was moving around really quickly, he started bumping into some water molecules, and he split up the oxygen, which left the cell, and the hydrogen, which stayed around the membrane. From there, Eddie went to crowd surf a mosh pit at ETC, which is the electron transport chain. After that, Eddie headed to the proton pump, which was like a dance floor at a party. There, he kept dragging in protons and dancing with them, bringing them inside the membrane. After this, Eddie was tired, so he went to PS1, which is Photosystem 1, and was at PS1. During that time, the protons that Eddie danced with started to exit through the ATP synthase. While they were exiting, they started converting ADP into ATP. So when Eddie was at PS1, he got hit by another ray of light, and of course he became energized again. So he called a cab, which is NADP+. Then when Eddie got into the cab, it became NADPH. Eddie from there headed to an amusement park where he energized 6CO2. There, all the O's decided to leave the amusement park, so just the 6 C's were left. So they headed to a Ferris wheel. Now on the Ferris wheel there was compartments that could hold 6 carbons. However, 5 carbons were already in there. So one more carbon got in to fill up the compartment, and the Ferris wheel started to go around. While it was going around, the 6 carbons split up into 2 groups of 3 carbons because it was unstable, and 3 of the carbons went to the cytoplasm to help produce glucose. And then from there, 2 more carbons got onto the Ferris wheel to bring back the original 5 carbons, and this cycle continued over and over again.